Hey, what's up everybody? It's Silver Seeker, and in today's video, guys, I want to show you probably some of the coolest silver rounds and silver coins that I have in my collection. Now, some of these you may have seen, some of them you may not have seen. I'm gonna be honest, I doubt you've seen every single one of these, and that's why I like doing videos like this, because I love finding interesting things like this. Now, before we get into it, I will say there are a number of colorized coins inside this collection right here, but not all of them are colorized in the way that you think they are, like, you know, a Silver Eagle where they painted Lady Liberty. These are much more artistic and absolutely gorgeous, including some stuff that has like black ruthenium and things like that. So guys, we are now recording under our brand new Sony ZV-1 camera, so the clarity is insane, the autofocus is incredible, and so you're going to be able to see these coins in probably one of the best views that you can get on video, and we're going to share them with you in this video right now. So guys, I'm very excited to go through this. Of course, it's going to take a few minutes just because we have so much to show you, but let's go ahead and get into it, guys, because there are some beautiful silver in this collection right here. Let's go ahead and take a look one by one at what we have. Okay guys, so the first one up, guys, we've seen these are the Australian 1 ounce silver dragon coins. However, as you can see, this is gold enameled with a cool powdery finish background. And guys, I'm going to do you a favor. In each one of these, we're going to go ahead and take them out of the capsules so that you can see them without the glare of the capsule interrupting. I have brand new gloves on, so the gloves aren't going to you know, put any of my finger oils on them and ruin the coins. And you know, the first one we have right here, guys, just beautiful. Elizabeth to Australia, 1 ounce of 999 AG 2018. But look at the finish on the obverse here with that gold overlay of the dragon and the dragon's fireball and the gilded edge as well. And then that really gorgeous background finish. That is pretty. So that is the first one that we have in this right here, guys. And we got that in a capsule. I do have a couple of these. So, you know, these are really, really cool. I really like them. Okay, guys, now the second thing we have, this is brand new 2020. These actually just came out. This is a 2 ounce 49 silver AG Australia. Flip it over. You can see we have the 2 ounce kookaburra. So you got the mama kookaburra there, the baby kookaburra, and a gorgeous ray background finish. Nice, thick and chunky silver 2 ouncer right there. I absolutely love this gorgeous coin. And man, that is pretty. We picked up a few of these. I actually just got these in, and I wanted to get a few of them. So they are really, really beautiful. And man, I'm glad I could share them with you. Aren't they gorgeous? Okay, guys, now this one here, this actually is really cool. It came inside a old cloth pouch looking thing. Obviously, it's not actually old, but you got 2018 Terracotta Army 5 ounce antiqued 99 silver coin. And if you open it up, it talks about what it is. It's a 5 ounce of 99 silver issued in 2018 with an antique polish, ruptured edge, legal tender in Fiji, mintage of only 10,000. And let's go ahead and take a look at the coin itself. So as you can see, nice, thick and chunky, 5 troy ounces. It has a $2 face value, Fiji 2018. Flip it over. And there you go, guys. That is really cool. I really like the antiqued finish with that hammered looking edge, if you will. In fact, in here they called it a ruptured edge. So really cool. The Terracotta Army. I picked up a couple of these because they are really beautiful, and I hope you guys like them as well. That is gorgeous. Okay, guys, so getting over to the boxes that you saw on the camera at the beginning of the video, this one right here is from Smittys Treasures. And let's go ahead and see what we have inside the clamshell box. All right, so this is one of the ones I was talking about with the colorized and the gold enameled. And let's actually go ahead first and look at the COA really quick, if I could get it out of here. You can see it's Canada Certificate of Authenticity. And then on the reverse, you can see this one is made by Smittys Treasures. This is coin number 24 of 500. So they're only doing 500 of these with this colorization. 999 fine silver, limited to 500 globally. And of course, 24 karat gold gilding colorization. So here is the coin. As promised, we're going to take it out of the capsule so you can see it up close. Again, brand new gloves. Don't worry, I'm not touching these with my fingers. But take a look at that, guys. That is really, really gorgeous. I like that pattern background finish. It's it almost looks bubbly. Really cool. I like, you know, you got the burning skull there. It looks like he's holding some sort of like a gun, maybe a 9mm Glock or who knows. But really, really cool. And I like that. So we're going to put that back in the capsule, guys, and get on to the next one. Okay, guys, so next up in another clamshell black box, let's go ahead and open up and see what we have. Oh yes, so I love these. Now I have two different ones of these. One of them I'm missing the certificate of authenticity on, but we'll go ahead and show you this one. So this one right here, guys, it says burning, certificate of authenticity. As you can see, it's a two dragons, so the Australia two dragons. And you know, we'll look at the back of the COA because they actually only made 250 of these. And as you can see, it is finished with black ruthenium. Quality is brilliant uncirculated. Of course, the 2019 double dragon, or two dragons, if you will. We've actually had these on the channel before, but never in this gorgeous finish. Let's go ahead and get this out, guys. Again, get it nice and close to the camera. You can see the two dragons, 1 ounce of fine silver 999, and you can see the gorgeous colored background, the burning in the background. You got the dragons right there, and of course finished in ruthenium. And what a gorgeous looking silver coin right there. So let's get it back into the capsule to keep it safe and then keep on going to the next one. Okay, guys, so the next one we have right here, you can see it says Golden Enigma Edition on the top of the box of the clamshell here. We're gonna flip it open. We have the COA. And oh, take a look at that. So this right here, guys, we've seen these before as well, but not like this, at least not on my channel. So this is the 2018 Somali Republic 100 shillings African wildlife elephant, but it is finished in black ruthenium. It took me a second to get that case open, so I cut through there. So let's take a look at this, guys. So African wildlife elephant 2018, you got that beautiful black ruthenium background finish with the gold enameled elephant, and of course the ruthenium finish on the back as well. 2018 100 shillings. That is really gorgeous. Now, of course, this one came inside a different type of holder. It was in a square holder. We'll go ahead and look at the COA really quick after we get the coin back in there and nice and protected. I don't want to damage it. So as you can see, Golden Enigma certificate of authenticity, flip it open. We have a Somali 100 shillings. You can see it's a minage of 3,000 pieces total with black ruthenium and 24 karat gold. And as you can see, guys, it's number 84 of 3,000. So that is really cool, like right there. Low serial number and gorgeous to boot. I really like that one. Okay, guys, as you can see, we have another Smittys Treasure coin. Now, I know which one we already opened, so I know this one is going to be probably my least favorite coin in this video, but I did want to share it with you. We open it up, and as you can see, we have a Silver Eagle. This is a 2016 Silver Eagle, and as you can see, the capsule is broken, so I'm going to go ahead and not take the capsule off of this one, but it is finished in a platinum plating with a gold enameled Lady Liberty as well as the sun, and then on the reverse a gold enameled eagle. Now, we know in 2021 they're going to be changing the reverse of this eagle right here. We'll have to see what that is. Again, I'm not going to take it out of the case because the case is already broken. I need to get a replacement for it. But the coin is absolutely gorgeous nonetheless. Now, it is my least favorite of all the ones that we have here, and we actually only have 3 left after this one, but I did want to share it with you, and it is pretty cool. Okay, guys, so next up, we have a black clamshell. Let's see what is inside. Boom. Oh, yeah. So I was waiting to see this one. Share this one with you, I should say. So let's go ahead and actually look at the COA first, and we're going to get it close to the camera, guys, outside of the capsule. You can see it says Armageddon Eagle Outbreak in parentheses, and it looks like you got some nuclear fallout there in the background. Flip it over to the reverse. Country USA, if you see, they only made 500 pieces, and this one is number 85 of 500. You can see at the bottom, and it is very gorgeous, enameled in 24 karat gold, and a gorgeous background finish. So let's gently get this open so you can see it nice and close in the camera. And take a look at that, guys. 2017 Silver Eagle with that really cool reverse, or I'm sorry, background, if you will. And again, you know, colored coins, you know, say what you want about them, but sometimes they just look cool. And I do like the art that they put into this one. Check out that like toxic symbol there in the center, the radioactive symbol, if you will. And actually it's in the background of the coin itself as well as in the center of the eagle shield. So really cool. I really like this one. I actually like this one quite a bit. So I wanted to make sure I shared that with you. We have 2 more left, guys, so let's take a look at the last 2, starting with this one. This is the Ennoble coin, and we open it up. All right, so as you can see, this is actually just in the wrong box. That's because I don't have the COA, because I don't have the original box. I just have the coin. But this is just like the 2 dragons. This is enameled in black ruthenium and with the painted background finish. Let's go ahead and show you this nice and closely under the camera. Take a look at that, guys. You got the tiger and the dragon. Oh man, that is pretty. And it is the burning. And if we flip it over, you can see it has the burning on the back as well. And of course, the queen right there, as well as the dragon and the tiger are in black ruthenium. Just really, really gorgeous right there. So we'll go ahead and get that back in here. And then, guys, we have one more to show you. And this last one I have to show you, probably my favorite one. It's in this blue clamshell. Let's go ahead and get this thing open, guys. This is really, really cool. Bam. So first off, I mean, you can see it. Let's take a look at the COA. So the COA says Certificate of Authenticity, Grim Reaper, the Death. If we open it up, one thing about this is if you look at the mintage, look at the mintage at the bottom here. That's kind of a creepy number right there. So mintage of that number right there, which I don't even like saying, but I really like the coin, the look of it. As you can see, issuing country is Equatorial Guinea with 1,000 Franco CFA, 2013 1 ounce of silver, and it is a very ultra high relief and really, really gorgeous. Guys, the thing about this, and it's number 546, by the way, of that number, it is 1 ounce of pure silver, but it is absolutely gorgeous, and we are absolutely going to get this out of the case so you can see the really, really awesome high relief of this silver coin right here under the camera. Take a look at that. That is really, really creepy and really, really cool. If you're into Halloween type stuff, you know, things like this, I mean, just gorgeous. And I really like that one. I wanted to share it with you. Of course, it is finished in black ruthenium, I believe. And it is just, I mean, man, that's cool. And that's our last one, guys. So let's go ahead and get this back in the case. Guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, do me a favor. Make sure you like and subscribe before you go, because it does help me out. I really appreciate it. And thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one. You guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I just want to quickly give a huge shout out to my awesome channel members. It's support like yours that make these videos possible. So once again, thank you. Guys, I left the video over there. If you haven't seen it yet, make sure you go and check that one out as well. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'd appreciate a sub if you liked the content. Otherwise, thank you again, and we will see you next time.